Hi, this is Jody Colegrove with Quantum Techniques. We have the most diagnostic form of energy medicine in the world today. And we work with people all over the world on the phone, helping them determine why they're having a health issue and what they can do about it. So today I want to talk about something that is helpful for humans, pets, kids, you name it. There's a product called Renew 28 that's made by ASEA. And it has properties in it. It's like a gel form, and you just kind of shake it and then squeeze it out onto any kind of a rash or something that you have on your skin, a pet's skin, and it will be able to help with clearing that up. It helps also for age spots and really helps for shingles. And so what's really helpful is besides putting this on the skin, what you do is then you put DMSO on the top of that. And what DMSO does is it helps get that in through the skin. And DMSO is a derivative or a byproduct of the I got all over my hands, all over out of the wood industry. And so what it does is it allows just the penetration of whatever substance you put on your skin. So it can help with rashes, it can help with skin irritation, it can help with anything that is going on the skin. So I wanted to share that with you because there's just sometimes it's okay, hey, what can I grab? A lot of times, sometimes people also grab silver, and that's also something that you can do. Also putting MMS on the skin, but you have to be kind of careful of that because sometimes it can irritate it too much. So those are just some ways to get rid of some skin irritation that you might have. It can also be used, for different, moles and things like that. I have like a little mole right here that I put it on all the time to try to help it not grow into any bigger. And it really does help seem to reduce it. So just some great tips from Quantum Techniques. And what we do at Quantum Techniques is we find out what the body can't see, and so it's not healing. And so we reveal it to the body by finding out through muscle testing, what kind of toxins, pathogens, heavy metals are impacting the body and not allowing it to heal. And once we've identified those, then we allow your body to self-heal and put it back into optimal health by giving you an acupressure code. So visit quantumtechniques.com and you can learn more about what we do at Quantum Techniques and how you can get your health and happiness back. So blessings.